What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, do you want to make money online, but you have no money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view ads and make money online with no investment. If that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view ads and make money online with no investment. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and let's get to 25 likes, guys. And please drop a comment down below if you have a question about this video today. And also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, let me tell you about something in the description below. If you scroll down there in the description and click on the link where it says free giveaways, if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get these 3 free giveaways just for subscribing to my channel and watching this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Scroll down there in the description, click on that link where it says free giveaways. It'll take you to a site and the 3 giveaways be there for you to download just for you. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to tell you guys about. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can view ads and make money online with no investment. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Verts. Okay, as it says here, Verts pays you to interact with advertisers. And it says down here, paid ads will be delivered to your account daily. All you have to do is copy 3 lines of text about the ad and then visit the website for up to 30 seconds to unlock your instant cash payment. So that's all. It sounds very simple, and it is simple. All right, and it says here, earn more with bonus ad points. Bonus ad points are how we measure your proven value to prospective advertisers. The more you accumulate, the larger value ads your account will gain priority in receiving. And right here, become a recycler pro with just 1%. And users have 18 hours to click on the ads issued to them, or they're automatically recycled to another user. Purchase a pro upgrade from your My Account page to gain priority receiving these ads. So you can sign up and get a pro upgrade account and you will gain priority in receiving these ads. Okay, here's some payment proof right here. View the page as a member, and under the payment proof column next to your payouts, you will see the option to submit your payment proof. Please help us show the public that we do in fact pay, and we'll add 200 BAP to your account, which I don't know what BAP mean, but I'm guessing probably more ads to your account to view. But let's look at the payment proof right quick. So this person here, CI Van 1989, they made $3.07 and they cashed it out through Litecoin. This person made $6. This person made $6. Another person made $6. This person made $7. Now I know this is very little money and you're not going to get rich doing this, but this is just some quick, some easy money that you can make just viewing ads, without doing anything, because that's what this, and without paying any money, because that's what this video is about, a way you can make money without any investment. So here are the payouts. The payout. This is how they're gonna pay out through these platforms. Payeer, OKPay, Payza, Bitcoin, Avcash, Solid Trust, Perfect Money. So you're going to use those platforms to cash out the money that you make. Now these are real simple ads you're going to view, that's going to take about maybe 10 to 15 or maybe 30 seconds to view, and you're going to get a lot of them, so you can make 3, 4, 5 here, cash it out. You can probably make more than that, depends on how many ads you get. So if you're interested in this website, go to paidverts.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now where you can view ads and make money online without no investment. So go ahead and sign up with that website, start viewing ads, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, sir, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down in this video and a comment in all my other videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now, I'm currently at 428 or 429. It fluctuates, I don't know. But I don't have that far to go to get to 500 subscribers. So what I'm going to do is, once I get there, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So again, if you're new, subscribe right now and then leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, smash that like button and let's get to 25 likes, because if I get 25 likes, that's going to help my video to be seen on YouTube by more people. And also drop a comment down below and let's get 25 comments, because again, the more comments I have, the more my video be seen on YouTube by more people. And please share this video on social media everywhere. And also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here now. I'm gone. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting your boy. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos as you guys keep watching. All right, before I leave, if you're bored after this video, please go watch my other videos, because I have a lot of opportunities out there on my videos that will show you how to make money online and show you how to become your own boss. So go check out my other videos after this video. Now, lastly, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.